Welcome to Unit 5, Lesson 23, Day 3. Today, you're going to practice saying the final syllable in a word. I will tell you a word, then you will tell me the final syllable. I will model 2. My turn. Motion. Final syllable, shun. Fraction. Final syllable, shun. Your turn. Get ready. Motion. Final syllable,
shun.
Fraction. Final syllable,
Shun.
Creation. Final syllable,
Chun.
Adventure. Final syllable,
Tur.
Feature. Final syllable,
Tur.
Lotion. Final syllable,
Shun.
You're going to practice reading some words. When my finger's to the left, think of the word in your head. When I slide under, tell me the word. Get ready. Word,
Coming.
word,
Give.
word,
New.
word,
Idea.
word,
Down.
word,
Though.
word,
For.
word,
Large.
word,
Right.
word,
Great.
word,
Though.
word,
Down.
word,
Give.
word,
Idea.
word,
Coming.
word,
New.
word,
Large.
word,
Right.
word,
For.
word.
Great.
You're going to practice saying some sounds for some sound spellings. When my finger's to the left, think of the sound in your head. When I tap under, tell me the sound. Get ready. Open syllable, sound.
A.
Open syllable, sound.
O.
Sound.
E.
Voiced, sound.
V.
Unvoiced, sound. Sound.
I.
Sound. Sound.
J.
Sound.
A.
Sound. Sound.
A.
Open syllable, sound.
U.
Sound.
U.
Sound. Sound.
R.
Sound.
N.
Sound.
E.
All right, today you are going to be reading words that have the final syllables, and I'll show you what those syllables are. We are going to be looking at the final syllable, shun, and chur. Recognizing these syllables in words can help you read longer words. I'm going to show you 2 examples. Let's look at one example with the first final syllable. Here is my final syllable. The word action ends with shun. The final syllable shun is spelled T-I-O-N. When you see T-I-O-N at the end of a word, say shun. I will model how to read this word. Syllable, ack. Syllable, shun. Word, action. Let me show you another example with our other final syllable. The word picture ends with chur. The final syllable, chur, is spelled T-U-R-E. When you see T-U-R-E at the end of a word, say chur. Let me model how to read this word. Syllable, pick. Syllable, chur. Word, picture. Okay, now remember, if you recognize these final syllables, shun and chur, it can help you read longer words. Let's take a look at some additional ones we're going to practice on our word reading chart. So now you'll get to do some of the work recognizing that final syllable. Okay. We have a lot of different words going on in this chart today. So for most of our words, we are going to be saying syllable parts and then the word. On other words, you will also notice our suffixes have shown up. So we will say suffixes, and we have just one that we will be pulling out our sounds. So make sure you're listening carefully for signal. Get ready. Syllable,
Sec.
syllable,
Shun.
word,
Section.
open syllable, think about that. Syllable,
Low.
syllable,
Shun.
word,
Lotion.
syllable,
Cree.
syllable,
Chur.
word,
Creature.
syllable,
Pick.
syllable,
Chur.
word.
Picture.
This is open syllable, syllable,
Nay.
syllable,
Shun.
word,
Nation.
syllable,
Frack.
syllable,
Sure.
word,
Fracture.
syllable,
Gent.
suffix,
Lee.
word,
Gently.
syllable,
Frack.
syllable,
Shun.
word,
Fraction.
base word,
Use.
suffix,
Full.
word.
Useful.
Very good. This one we're going to divide a couple of times. Syllable,
They.
syllable,
K.
syllable,
Shun.
word.
Vacation.
Yes, vacation. Syllable,
Fee.
syllable,
Sure.
word.
Feature.
Base word,
Pain.
suffix,
Full.
word.
Painful.
Sound,
E.
word.
Beat.
Open syllable, syllable,
Few.
syllable,
Chur.
word.
Future.
Base word,
Long.
suffix,
Word.
word.
Longer.
Syllable,
Cap.
syllable,
Shun.
word.
Caption.
Wow, amazing job. You did really great on all of those final syllables. Okay, let's look at our sentences. You will see 3 of the words that we just divided above are in our sentences. So I'm going to see if you can do it by dividing them again to make sure we pronounce them correctly. First sentence, get ready. Word,
Are.
word,
You.
word,
Coming.
word,
On.
syllable,
They.
syllable,
K.
syllable,
Shun.
word,
Vacation.
word,
With.
word.
Us.
Ghost that sentence. Get ready. Read.
Are you coming on vacation with us?
Yes, are you coming on vacation with us? Next sentence, get ready. Contraction,
I'll.
word,
Write.
word,
The.
syllable,
Frack.
syllable,
Shun.
word,
Fraction.
word,
And.
word,
Draw.
word,
A.
syllable,
Pick.
syllable,
Sure.
word.
Picture.
Yes, picture. Ghost that sentence. Get ready. Read.
I'll write the fraction and draw a picture.
Yes, I'll write the fraction and draw a picture. Excellent work so far. All right, let's finish strong with our spelling words. All right, get ready to read your words. Word,
Helpful.
word,
Thankful.
word,
Kindly.
word,
Painful.
word,
Sadly.
word,
Slowly.
word,
Useful.
word,
Mouthful.
word,
Hopeful.
word,
Wishful.
word,
Safely.
word,
Weak.
Word.
Jumped.
Word.
Saying.
Word.
Quickly.
Word.
Wonderful.
That was wonderful. Okay, we have today for spelling a couple of words we haven't practiced yet, and they have kind of a different suffix on them today, or an ending. And then I'm going to mix in our challenge words. So today I will not put the reminder on the board because two of these are going to be reviews, and then we're going to see if you can remember our suffixes from yesterday. Okay, your first word today is wonderful. What word?
Wonderful.
3 parts in wonderful. Won-der-ful. Stretch the sounds you hear in one.
Ooh,
Write your sound spellings for one. Remember, this is the part we have to remember by heart. Stretch the sounds you hear in der. Write your sound spellings for der. Stretch the sounds you hear in full.
ol.
Write your sound spellings for full. Check your word. Spell wonderful.
Wonderful.
Word.
Wonderful.
Yes, wonderful. Excellent. All right, let's do our next word. Our next word is helpful. What word?
Helpful.
2 parts. Help, full. Stretch the sounds you hear in help.
Ol.
Write your sound spellings for help. Stretch the sounds you hear in full.
Ol.
Write your sound spellings for full. Check your word. Spell helpful.
Helpful.
Word.
Helpful.
Yes, helpful. Your next word is our other challenge word. Quickly. What word?
Quickly.
2 parts. Quickly. Stretch the sounds you hear in quick.
Quick.
Write your sound spellings for quick. Stretch your sounds for lee.
E.
Write your sound spellings for lee. Check your word. Spell quickly.
Quickly.
Word.
Quickly.
Yes, quickly. Your next word is hopeful. What word?
Hopeful.
2 parts. Hope, full. Stretch the sounds you hear in hope.
O.
Write your sound spellings for hope. Stretch the sounds you hear in full.
Ol.
Write your sound spellings for full. Check your word. Spell hopeful.
Hopeful.
Word.
Hopeful.
Yes, hopeful. Okay, 2 left. These ones are going to have different endings than we've been practicing this week. These are review endings. Your first word is saying. What word?
Saying.
2 parts. Say-ing. Stretch the sounds you hear in say.
Say.
Write your sound spellings for say. Stretch the sounds you hear in ing.
Ing.
Write your sound spellings for ing. Check your word. Spell saying.
Saying.
Word.
Saying.
Yes, saying. One last word. Your next word is jumped. What word?
Jumped.
Now, jumped has 1 big syllable, but we also have an ending. Let's stretch the sounds we hear in jump first. Write your sound spellings for jump. Okay, there's our base word. Now we have to have our ending for our suffix, jumped. What sound do you hear at the end?
D.
Think about what goes at the end of a word that would make the d sound, jumped. Hopefully you remembered. Check your word. Spell jumped.
Jumped.
Word.
Jumped.
Yes, jumped. Now remember, we learned this a long time ago, but ed at the end has 3 different sounds, one of them being